So the West Gippsland region, they're called coastally connected rivers. So we have rivers that flow from upstream in the mountains right through to the salty or estuary areas of Lake Wellington or coastal regions. And that's really important in terms of the fish species that we have here. So migratory native species are a big component of the Thompson, McAllister and the Latrobe. So part of our management of environmental water and some of the river aspects target those species because they're such a large component of these river systems. So these species are quite important because different parts of their life cycle, they will actually be downstream in the saltier or estuarine regions or upstream in the fresh and mountainous nice habitat regions. So it's really important that throughout their life cycle there's this connectivity which allows them to move up and downstream. And so the native fish in these river systems have actually evolved to seasonal cues. So what we're trying to do in terms of environmental water, that's one lever we can pull to try and help native species, is mimic some of those naturally occurring cues by providing freshers or base flows that allow the fish species to have that cue, go, oh, time to move downstream or time to come back upstream. And they can move all the way down and come back all the way up. So it's helping with spawning and also recruitment, which is really important for the diversity and abundance of species. Another thing we're doing is actually trying to address some of the barriers to fish migration. So here at Kauawea there's a knife edge structure with a fishway actually attached to it now, which allows the fish to actually keep moving upstream into those headwater or the upper mountainous areas of the river. And that's really important for different parts of their life cycle. So if they are able to move unimpeded upstream and downstream, they can actually finish those different parts of their breeding and life cycles. So in the Thompson specifically, we deliver environmental water in autumn and spring. They're kind of our key migration windows for native fish species, in particular the listed Australian grayling. We also have Australian bass, the short and long-finned eel and chupong. Success is a fish population that's healthy, that's breeding and is also bringing in recruits across all of the river systems.